I'm Ethan Kwan, and welcome to part 10 of how to make a marble race. This time I'm going to show you how to make a gravity pad. A gravity pad is, if something touches it, it'll start to float up. Okay? Now, of course, it doesn't do it with this, but we're going to turn this into a gravity pad. And since it's a special block, you can customize it, but remember to glue it to the background. And I'm also going to change the color. So it is, let's see, I'm going to make it green for going up. Okay, so if anything touches this block, we want it to float up. Now nothing happens right now. How do we fix that? Well, this is how you fix it. You go to script menu, right click script menu, and then you put in on collide, you put e.other. Density equals 0.005. That should work. If it doesn't, well, there we go. Yeah. Okay. So that's how to make a gravity pad. Now, how do we make a gravity pad so it comes down when it touches it? Well, let's just clone this and let's turn it red because it comes down. Okay, how do we make it do that? Well, what we have to do first is check the mass of our circle. So if we make this circle, we check in its material what its density is. It's 2.0. Okay, so now what we can do is go into here and go into the script menu, and instead of 0.005, we can put 2. Simple as that. Boop, wee, boop, wee. And it's as simple as that. You made a gravity pad. It's very easy. You should totally try it. Okay, thank you for watching part 10. Part 10 of how to make a marble race. See you at part 11 of how to make a marble race. In part 11. Otherwise, make sure to subscribe or share this video with others. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.